Today we will discuss about biscuit factory in our lecture. But firstly, I will introduce with one thing. See, what is this? This is a biscuit. So students, some details I will tell you which are given on this biscuit wrapper. So see here, the name of biscuit is Parle Gold Biscuit. Parle Gold Biscuit. The price of this biscuit is 10 rupees. How much? 10 rupees. And price of this biscuit is 10 rupees. The manufacturing date is 11/6/2021, means June. And the expiry date for this packet is after 6 months. Students, weight of this biscuit is 100 gram. And students, the company name is Parle Private Limited. This is a company which make this biscuit. And students, here are some ingredients which are present inside this biscuit. There are many ingredients. You can read these all things which are given here. So students, I hope you enjoy this video very much. Thank you.